Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add particular user roles, and I'm going to explain each user role, what permissions they are having and what access they can have. Okay, if you want to add new users or admin users or editor users in your website, you need to click on this users option from the back end. Click on users option, and here this is the email ID and this is my main admin. I am the main admin. If I want to add another admin or another author to my website, we can add multiple users to our website to manage our website. Okay, so first let's click on this add user option, and here let me type username like demo user 1, and let me add email ID. So this is the email ID I'm giving, and let me add password also. And now first let me add user role as subscriber, and here you can see this is a role. Role is nothing but the set of permissions so this user will have when he logged into our website. Okay, if I initially select this role as subscriber, let me add user and he will receive an email. So let me save it. Here you can see I received the particular login details to my WordPress website, and let me log into this website using this username and email ID. Okay, now let me log into this website as a subscriber. Let me log into the website, and here you can see if I add user role as a subscriber, he will be able to log into a WordPress website, but only he can access his dashboard. Like he has access to change the theme. Okay, and he can change his username, and he can change his email ID, and he can change his password. Okay, and he can access only the dashboard option and profile option. Okay, only these are the two options that are available if we add a particular person as subscriber. So let me change this user role. Go to edit option, and now let me change this user role to from subscriber to contributor role, and let me click on update user. Let me sign into website again as a contributor. Let me refresh this page, and here you can see from the backend he is able to visit his profile, and he is able to access the tools. He can able to see the posts which are available in the website. He can only view the posts. He cannot delete or like customize the posts. Okay, and you can have access to the Elementor also. You can only see the pages that are available in the website. Okay, so the contributor and subscriber role, these two roles are similar, so they don't have access to any of these options in the backend. Only can visit his profile. Okay, let me change the user role from contributor to the author. By using this author role, he can access only to the post option. He can publish the post, write the post, and he can add the images to the website. Okay, let me change the role to author, and let me click on update user, and here let me refresh the page again, and here you can see post options and the media options. Both options are available to access the website. Here you can see you can view the media file that is available in the website, and you can, if you click on this post option, you can view the other posts. Okay, you can add his own post also. Let me click on add post because he is the author, and let me add post name as post demo user, and let me click on this publish option, and let me click on view post. Here you can see you can publish the post and you can view the post. Okay, he can edit his own post. Okay, he can edit his own post, like all posts. He can delete the post he have written by himself. Okay, and if you want to view other posts also, he can view, but he cannot delete other posts, other authors. Okay, now, and he has access to add media files to the website. Let me add this image, but he does not have access to delete the images or media files. Okay, and he has access to delete his own images and media files that he uploaded. Okay, before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar, and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. Now let me go back and change the user role from author to the editor option, and let me click on update user. And now let me go back to the user role, and here let me refresh the website, and when I change the user role from author role to the editor, now he has access to edit the post. Here you can see he can edit the post, delete the post. Okay, and he has the ability to add categories, and he has the ability to create posts, and he has the ability to tag posts, and he has the ability to create pages, and he has the ability to delete the pages. Let me click on this trash option, and the page will be gone into trash, and you can have the ability permission to delete this page also. If you want to restore this page, just click on this restore option. Okay, and if you click on profile options, these are the options that he can manage if he has the permission to as editor. Okay, if we give the permission to this user role as administrator, now he will be having entire access as administrator. So that now I changed this user role from administrator to the editor to the administrator. Now he has access to the entire website. He has the permission to add pages, delete pages. He has the permission to install plugins. He has the permission to install themes. He has the permission to delete the themes. Okay, now he has the permission to add another new users to the website also. Okay, here you can see he has the permission to delete the main admin also if you add administrator role to the user role. Okay, so these are the user roles that are available in the WordPress website. You can change the user role from subscriber, contributor, author, or editor, or administrator as per the requirements. If you want to manage your website by multiple authors, like multiple persons, okay, so multiple users, you can give their permissions as per your requirement. Okay, so that's how you can add user roles to your website as per your requirement.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.